Hi guys, happy Saturday afternoon. Here I am here, and it's sunny all the time. Here is very sunny today. Sunny afternoon, guys. Very slow sana guys. Kailangan natin ng salamin dito guys. Kaya mainit guys. Hindi kayanin ang mata natin. Ang init guys. We're loving you to me. Grabing init guys. Init kayo dito sa amin guys. Today is September 6. September. I don't know why letting it go. We didn't know I love with you all the time. Wanna say anywhere, let's say baby. All the time I was in love, was do my love, just way running so much more. We can go this way, empty. So and now rain is a world at a time. So this is the time of weather in Europe. It's very shiny and very sunny. The weather of Europe very so. It's like the weather very shiny and every time have a sun I go in the sun for I want to get the vitamin for the sun we need here because it's very long time here in the summer, short summer and very long the winter. That's why